So I'm going to show you everything on here. This is the design element, spooky design elements that we've made in a tutorial earlier. And every shelf is packed with stuff. I added a necklace that I got at the 99-cent store last year. It's the lights go off and on it, and there's lots of little tiny books. The drawers come out, and there's some little spooky documents in here for potions. There's little tiny cards on the top, all of the faux books, that adorable little scroll with the wax seal, and all the potion bottles that we made. On the second shelf, lots of yummy stuff, more stuff, little books. Those bones are from Tim Holtz. We have the bat specimen from the digitals. Some more fun little papers here. Those are fun to make, and they're pretty easy. The key to this is all the different levels and achieving so it's pleasing to the eye. So it took me a little while to kind of put it all together. I really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. All these tiny little bottles here. And after I glued everything down, then I added tiny little bits of moss where I think it needed it. And if there was glue showing, I covered it up with the moss. This is a Tim Holtz candle. Another bat specimen on top of this, and this one opens as well. And all of the fun, there's a book that's open down here, and I put a little rose in there like it was placed in the center. This is one of the pretty little bottles we made, and our handmade pumpkins. Those cute little bales from Hobby Lobby. Moss in all different layers. I put several layers, and if I didn't like it, I would add more. I did add the cute little mushrooms that we made. Tim Holtz skull. This is something I've had forever. I think I have two of them. This is another raven that was made out of epoxy sculpt. And then we have the cute little fortune teller sign. I made it so that it's detachable, and that's on the rusty Altoid tin can. I put a couple layers of gesso on the skeleton and some alcohol ink and some moss here. Moss on the sides. And then lastly, I added some herbs with our the little nails and our cute little dome with some moths in there and the wonderful broom that I showed you how to make. And I did add a little picture on here. I thought it might be a picture of the fortune teller or the witch that occupied the shed. I had so much fun. I hope to see what you guys do. All of the different elements that go into making this can be used for so many fun things. There it is. It's so cute. So I added 3 books that are stacked up on top of each other. This is what it looks like from this side. And a little kitty. I added another little book here. I liked having the whole surface covered. That's just me. You might want it more sparse.